Thank you, Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I beg to give notice to the following motion, that taking into consideration the findings of the Committee on Appointments in its fourth report on the approval hearings of nominees for appointment as Cabinet Secretaries laid on the table of the House on Thursday, 16 January 2025, and pursuant to the provisions of Article 152(2) of the Constitution and Section 3 and 8 of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act, Cap 7F, this House approves the appointment of the following persons as Cabinet Secretaries. 1, the Honorable Mutahi KAGWE, EGH, in the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development. 2, the Honorable William Kavogo, Information, Communication and Digital Economy. 3, the Honorable KENYANJUI, in the Ministry of Investments, Trade and Industry. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Majority Leader. Chairperson, Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations.
Honorable Speaker, I beg to give notice of the following motion, that taking into consideration the findings of the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations in its report on the vetting of the nominees for appointment as Ambassador, Permanent Representatives and Consul General laid on the table of the House on Thursday, 16th January 2025, and pursuant to the provisions of Article 132(c) of the Constitution, Section 22 of the Foreign Service Act, Cap 185(e), and Section 3 and 8 of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act, Cap 7F, this House approves the appointment of number 1, Dr. Andrew Muia Karanja as the Ambassador, Brasilia, Brazil. Number 2, Honorable Babu Namwamba, EGH, as a Permanent Representative, United Nations Environmental Program, UNEP, / United Nations Office at Nairobi, Union. And number 3, Mr. Nu Yaro Gabo, CBS, as a Consul General, Port-au-Prince, Haiti. Thank you.
Next order.
Order number 7, questions and statements. Order number 8, motion, report of the